Changing your legal name on ConvertKit is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated correctly in your account. Step 1. Log into your ConvertKit account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is typically found in the profile menu, which can be accessed by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Update your legal name. In the account settings, look for the option to edit your personal information. Here, you will find a field for your legal name. Enter your new name as you would like it to appear. Step 4. Save changes. After entering your new legal name, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to ensure your updates are recorded. Step 5. Confirm the update. To confirm that your legal name has been changed, log out and then log back into your account. Check the account settings again to verify that your new name is displayed correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully change your legal name on ConvertKit. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to ConvertKit support for assistance.